भी नहीं। Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Why were you absent in biology class? All of you? Yes, tell me. Why were you absent on that day? Only one student was there on that day.
Ma'am, I joined the class that
On that day. What's your name?
yesterday.
What's your name?
Ankita.
No, you were not there.
Ma'am, I joined that class, but not come the students here, not start the class.
No, I took whole class at 40 minutes class. I took there. Only one student was there. That is G Galaxy. What is the name? Whose name is this? Galaxy 6. Don't waste the class. Okay? Next time. Be very careful about this. It's our biology class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We have started new lesson, that is flower. And we have done the structure of flower. There are 4 parts of flower, and these parts are known as calyx. The whole world of sepals is known as calyx, and it is green in color. Second wall is corolla, that is different, that have the different kinds of color, and these are known as petals. And one male part of flower is known as androecium. It has stamen, and there is different parts of stamen: anther, filament, anther sacs, and pollens. And the fourth part is the female reproductive part, and this is the innermost wall of flower. It has epistle, and pistil consists of 3 parts: stigma, style, and ovary. We have done all the things. Now we have to take the topic types of flower. What we have to do? Types of flower. There are 2 types of flower: complete and incomplete. 2 types of flower: complete flower and incomplete flower. Two types. One is complete
and incomplete.
Other is
Incomplete.
yes. In one complete flower, it has all 4 walls. There are 4 walls in a plant, in a flower. So all 4 walls is present in complete flower. It means it has calyx, corolla, androecium, and gynoecium. But here any one of missing, any one may be absent in incomplete flower. If it is there, then it is known as incomplete flower. Flower that has all four whorls like calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium is called complete flower. The example of complete flower are China rose, China and pea mustard. These plants have complete flower. In case of date palm and mulberry are incomplete flower. A flower that has one or more whorls missing is called an incomplete flower. It may be one whorl or maybe more than one whorl absent in this type of flower. The next is, again, these are the on the whorl present on that. The classification done on the basis of whorl present in the flower. But the second classification is done with the unisexual on and bisexual plants flower. It means in this type of flower there are again two types. First is unisexual and other is bisexual.
Bisexual.
Yes, unisexual means it has either androecium or gynoecium. Only one thing is present in unisexual. See, a plant that has either the pistil or the stamen, any one is present here and one is absent here. This type of flower are called, yes, yes, yeah, tell me. A flower that has either pistil or stamens. It has either pistil or stamen. Only one is present here. If any one is present, both male and female flowers may be present on the same plant or different plants. The example of unisexual flower are papaya, watermelon, cucumber, etc. These plants have unisexual flower. The flower that has both pistil and stamen. In this, they have both the whorl. Pistil and stamen. They have both the structure in one flower. These type of flower are known as bisexual. And the example are rose, mustard, gulmohar, lily, pea and China rose. These plants have bisexual flower.
Mickey.
See, here is a study of mustard flower. See, the common name of mustard is sarson. We all know. Mustard flower. ठीक है. Common name. Common name is sarson or mustard. But scientific name of mustard flower is Brassica campestris. Brassica campestris. This is the scientific name of mustard flower. Flower, the type of flower is complete. It means it has all four whorls. The type of flower is complete. It has all four whorls. Small in size, yellow in color, and bisexual. It means it has pistil and stamen both in one flower. Calyx. Calyx. How many calyx they have? They have 4 calyx, 4 sepals, 4 green in color, and sepals are free. Free means they are not attached to each other. They are free. Means they have free. They do not attach. These are. They have free. They are not attached at the bottom. Then corolla. Corolla are 4 yellow color petals and they are free. Again, they have 4 green color, yellow color petals, yellow, and petals are free. Free means again they have free petals they have. They do not attach. They are 4. They do not attach at their base. Totally free at the bottom. So petals are also free and sepals are also free. Sepals 4 in number, petals also 4 in number. Sepals are green in color and corolla is yellow in color. Now have a look at the androecium and gynoecium. Androecium consists of 6 stamens. It has 6 stamens. What are the stamens? These are the stamens. One, two, three, four, 5 and 6. 6 stamens are present in androecium and they have, this is the anther sac and they have here pollens. This is filament. Yes, this is the androecium. And now gynoecium. Gynoecium consists of single pistil. It has only one pistil and we know
Sac.
this is the stigma. Style.
Stein.
and ovary. This is the pistil of mustard plant. Have a look once again for the study of mustard plant. The common name of mustard plant is sarson and the scientific name is Brassica campestris. Flower, type of flower is complete, small in size, yellow in color and bisexual flower. It means it has androecium and gynoecium in one flower. Corolla are four in number, green in color and sepals are free. They are free. They do not attach at the bottom. Corolla are four in number, yellow in color and petals are free. They have free base. Androecium consists 6 anther, 6 stamens and pistil. One pistil is present in this flower. This is the study of sarson plant or mustard flower. Now, study of hibiscus flower.
Hibiscus.
Hibiscus.
Good health.
Again we see all four words and the scientific name. This is the common name. Common name is Gudhal. What is China rose or Gudhal? China rose or Gudhal. You have seen this, a big red color flower and has this type of a structure which is given in your book. You all have seen this.
Yes, ma'am.
Scientific name of this flower is Hibiscus roja sinensis. Hibiscus roja sinensis. This is the scientific name of China rose flower. The type of flower is complete. What do you mean by complete flower? Yes. What do you mean by complete flower? What is the meaning of complete flower?
Oh, that plant have all things.
All four parts of plant. Calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Right? All four words.
Yes.
The type of flower is complete, then large, big in size. It's a large flower, red in color. Then it may be yellow also, red or yellow. Generally we have red color flower. It may be pink also and bisexual. Bisexual means what do you mean by bisexual? It has both androecium and gynoecium, stamen and pistil in one flower. All these two parts are present in one flower.
One plant.
Yes, it is known as bisexual. Here is one word is coming, apicalyx. What do you mean by apicalyx? First you tell me about the calyx. What is calyx? Yes, calyx. See, this is the flower base and at the base they have some green small leaves. Have you seen this? the flower has
Yes, ma'am.
small green leaves at its base. These green leaves are known as calyx. But one more layer of these green leaves. There is two layer of green leaves. Then one is calyx. This is the calyx. But before the calyx, one more layer of small leaves. And this layer is known as apicalyx. Right?
Apical. Yes, ma'am.
It is clear? There is two layers of green small leaves. One is apicalyx. The outermost layer of green small leaves is known as apicalyx. And inner side of this apicalyx, one more layer of green small leaves is found there. That is calyx. So apicalyx are 5 to 7. It may be 5, 6, 7. 5 to 6 in number, green in color, and additional board below calyx. We know that what is apicalyx. Then calyx. Calyx is 5 green colored sepal. They are 5 in number, green in color, and sepal. Sepals are fused. Here word is coming fused.
Fused.
Yes. See, in sarso plant, they are free. They are free. But here they are
Attached.
They are joined each other. They do not have a separate base. They are connected to each other. Right?
Yes.
It is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So these type of calyx are free and they have the same base. At the same base, they originate is this type of arrangement is called fused. They are fused. Then corolla. Corolla are 5. They are also 5 red in color and red color petals fused as the base. Same thing which is happened in the calyx. Calyx are fused and corolla are also fused. Means they have one base. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they are connected to each other at their base. They are not free. This is the fuse pattern.
ओ मम्मी आप शादी का हुक्म डाउनलोड तो कर लिया पर मैसेज बहुत आते हैं उसके उनमें से पढ़ने पड़ेंगे 2-4 को देखना पड़ेगा ये अलग अलग फ्लावर्स है ना मम्मी
See, here is a one base. All are starting with single base. But in this case, they have their own base. This. They are not joined each other. This type of pattern is free, and if they have only one base, so this type of pattern is called fused. They have fused corolla and fused calyx pattern. Now androecium.
1000 मिलीमीटर मिलता है उसमें खेलने के लिए एक दिन का 1 करोड़ है ना
See, many stamens infinite. There is no number. Many stamens. In sarso mustard plant, only 6 stamens were present there. But here, many, infinite, no limit. They have many stamens indefinite. Upper portion of filament is free, whereas the lower portion is fused to form a tube-like structure called the staminal tube. Here, what is the structure is different. What is happen here? This type of structure is found there. See, this is the separate filament of this filament is very small in size and it is fused with the one tubular structure, and this is called staminal tube. This is staminal tube. This is all about the androecium. Now have a look at the gynoecium. Five pistils. In mustard plant, only one pistil is present there. But here, 5 pistils are present. How many pistils? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pistils present in one plant. Stigma, free, style are fused. What is happening here? Style, stigma free. See, 1, here 5 stigma. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stigma are present and they are fused with one style. They are fused in one style and one ovary. This is all about the gynoecium. They have 5 stigma, one style and one ovary. This is the study of hibiscus flower. It is also known as China rose, gulhar, and the scientific name of this plant is Hibiscus rosa sinensis. And we have done all different parts of this flower. Yes, have a look at take the correct answer. The reproductive part of plant is tell me, which part is the reproductive part? The answer is flower. The flower is the reproductive part of plant.
Ma'am, please do camera upper side.
Pollen grains are produced in anther, because filament is a part of anther, but style and pistil are the part of Gynoecium. Then reproductive wall of a flower are. What is the reproductive wall? It is A, androecium and gynoecium. Which of the following is not a unisexual flower? It is mustard. Mustard is a bisexual flower. What is the main function of flower? What is the main function? Answer is D. To produce fruit and seeds. The function of flower is to produce fruits and seeds. Yes. Circle the odd one. Name the category to which the other three belongs. China rose, mustard, P, date palm.
Ma'am, China rose is the odd one.
Why? Kindly give the reason.
Because mustard, pea, date plum is the same and China rose is different.
How you are saying that they are same? China rose, mustard and pea. And the answer is date palm. Rose, mustard, date palm. Date palm is unisexual. C. Answer is 1. Circle the odd one. The answer is date palm.
Ma'am, second answer is cucumber.
Because other three are bisexual and date palm is a unisexual flower. Rose, lily, gulmohar and cucumber.
Ma'am, answer is cucumber is the odd one.
Kindly give the reason.
Because rose is also flower, lily is also flower, and gulmohar means China rose is also flower, and cucumber is a vegetable. So cucumber is odd one.
No. This is not the reason. Rose, lily, gulmohar and cucumber. The answer is cucumber is correct answer, but the reason is odd one is cucumber and the reason is same reason. Other three are
Flower.
Other three are bisexual flower.
Bisexual.
Yes, cucumber and date palm are unisexual flower because they have either stamen or pistil. Only one thing is present in them. Right? Now I am taking new topic, pollination. Pollination. Have you heard the name pollen grains? pollen grains produced in
Yes.
yes. What are pollen grains? Pollen grains. Anther sacs. These are the anther sacs, and this is the filament. This is the stamen. These anther sacs have pollens. This is filament, and this is the structure of stamen. These pollen transfer from one flower to another flower. The process is known as pollination. The transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of the flower is called pollination. This is the anther and this is the stigma. Stigma of a flower. When this
Plant.
anther reach at stigma, the process is known as pollination. This process is known as pollination. Kindly note down this definition in your notebook. Underline and note down in your notebook. There are two types of pollination: self-pollination or cross-pollination. Self-pollination. It means if the flower is bisexual. Bisexual means it has anther and pistil both in one flower.
Bisexual plant.
See,
Flower.
these are the anther and this is the pistil. When this anther sac opens and the pollen grains reach to the stigma of the same plant. Pollen grains reach to the stigma of the same plant is known as self-pollination. The process in this, when pollen grains are transferred from the anther to of flower of the stigma of the same flower or another flower born on the same plant, it is called self-pollination. The stigma and anthers are present in one plant and the pollen grains transfer from anther to the stigma of its same flower. The process is called self-pollination, and this type of pollination occur in the pea flower. This is done in pea flower. The next is cross-pollination. Cross-pollination. It means the pollens of one plant transfer to the another flower. One flower to the another flower. This type of pollination is known as cross-pollination because some flowers are unisexual. Unisexual means it has only one part, one reproductive part. Either it is endoecium or it is gynoecium. When pollen grains are transferred from the anther of a flower of one plant to the stigma of the flower of another plant of the same kind is called cross-pollination. Example of cross-pollination are sunflower and rose flower. In sunflower and rose flower, there is a cross-pollination we can see. There are two types of pollination.